Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you keep your green friends thriving. Today, we're exploring the best free plant care apps for your iPhone or iPad in 2025. If you're a busy plant parent, these apps are game changers, offering smart features to make plant care effortless and fun. Let's dive right in. First up is Planta. This app uses advanced AI to identify your plants with just a photo snap. It provides personalized care advice, like when to water or fertilize, and even sends reminders to prevent overwatering. What I love about it is the clean interface and zero ads, perfect for iOS users who want a seamless experience. Next, meet Greg. It's like having a personal botanist in your pocket. Greg tracks your plant's growth, customizes watering schedules based on your home's environment, and connects you to a community of fellow plant enthusiasts for tips and troubleshooting. In 2025, it's updated with real-time weather integration, so your plants get care tailored to local conditions. Then there's Picture This, a must-have for quick plant identification. Simply upload a photo, and it delivers detailed info on your plant's needs, including pest alerts and care guides. The new AR feature lets you visualize potential issues right on your screen. It's super intuitive and free. Last but not least, we have My Plant Care. This app stands out for its automation capabilities. Link it to your smart home devices, like automated watering systems, and get comprehensive health reports based on light, humidity, and soil data. It's ideal for tech-savvy iOS users who want hands-free plant management. In conclusion, these free apps are essential for any iPhone or iPad owner looking to level up their plant care game in 2025. Head to the App Store, download your favorites, and watch your plants flourish. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment on which app you'll try first. Thanks for watching. Happy planting!